Okay, we will be talking about Coulomb's law. Firstly, what is Coulomb's law? Coulomb's law says that the force of attraction between two charges, Q1 and Q2, is directly proportional to the product of their charges and inversely proportional to the distance between them. This can be mathematically expressed as F equal to K Q1 Q2 over R squared. Now let's look at the question. They said calculate the distance. Now we're looking for distance. They said calculate distance, and R is our distance, and this K is the constant. Yeah? Constant. And this Q1 is the first charge, and this Q2 is the second charge. So now K is a constant, which is 9 times 10 raised to the power 9 n squared C minus 2. So this is now we have our. They say we should look for the distance. Now we're looking for this R. We're looking for this distance. Where our Q, they said charge Q1 is 26. This charge Q1 26. You need to be careful at this point because this 26 microcoulombs. Sorry, this 26 microcoulombs, and Q1 is 26 microcoulombs. To make it coulombs, we need to make it coulombs because coulombs is the standard unit for charge. So we are going to multiply by 10 power of minus 6, and Q2 will be what? 47 microcoulombs. So it's also going to be what? 47 to the power of minus 6. Now we need to impute this to this to get our R squared. But firstly, the first thing we need to do is to make this R the subject of formula, since we are looking for R. Now, how do we make R the subject of formula? Just listen now. To make R the subject of formula now, this is what you need to do. Make R the subject of formula. Then F equal to K Q1 Q2 over R squared. To make R subject of formula, the first thing you need to do is to cross multiply. You bring this one here and you multiply this one by this. So this K Q1 Q2 equal to F R squared. Now, since we are making this R the subject of formula, what do you think we need to do? We need to Q this F. Just permit me to use that one. We need to Q F. Now, for us to Q F, to make R the subject of formula, now we divide both sides by F. Divide both sides by F. So now F cancel F. Now we are left with R squared equal to K Q1 Q2 over F. So now this is the formula we are going to use. But to simplify this formula more, you can just do like this by squaring both sides. When you square both sides, square it down to square. So now you have this as your formula. You have this as the formula. Now we are going to input all these values into this. Now, since we have our R as R equal to square root of, what is our K? Our K is a constant, which is 9 times 10 raised to power 9. Where is it? 9 times 10 raised to power 9 multiplied by the first charge. The first charge is what? 26 minus 6. 26 10 raised to power minus 6 multiplied by 47 10 minus 6 over what's our force? Our force is what's our force? Oh, sorry, you're right. Force. This is the force. 5.7 Newton. F is equal to 5.7 Newton. So we divide it by 5.7 by 5.7. So let me just press my calculator and let me see. Okay, let me just calculate it. So 9 times 10. So square root of this 9 times 10. 9 divided by 2, 6 times 10 and 6. multiply by 4, 7, and 10, minus 6, 5.7. So our final answer is 1.389 meters. So this is the final answer. So thank you guys for watching.